Dear students, or I would say leaders of tomorrow, I welcome you all to participate in the most extraordinary educational activity, Model United Nations. The Model United Nations is a simulation educational activity focusing on civics, communications, globalization, and multilateral diplomacy. In Model United Nations, students take on roles as foreign diplomats and participate in a simulated session of an intergovernmental organization. On an emotional level, Model United Nation is a motivational experience. Students, I would like to tell you, when I talk about motivational experience, what motivates us? When we actually take on the global problems and try to resolve. Don't you want to do that? Don't you want to be a part of the global phenomenon, which is Model United Nations? It's fun to pretend being a world leader, solving the world's most important problems in 48 hours or less. Are you not empowered? Don't you feel empowered doing that? Model United Nations actually activates your imagination and creativity. In the classroom, you learn from your teacher. At conferences, you learn from each other. You have to internalize what you learn in class and deliver that information through speeches, caucusing, and resolutions. In this learning by doing approach, you can actually take on the experience what you get in the class to the conference of Model United Nations. You are involved in the vital decisions made in the international affairs arena by diplomats and world leaders daily. This first-hand involvement leads to a deeper understanding of world issues and the context these issues are negotiated and resolved within. Actually, if you look at it, when I'm talking about the global problems, simultaneously I'm talking about you getting a hands-on experience of what you would be doing once you are in that position. Don't you want that experience? Also, it leads to cooperative learning. Cooperative learning promotes higher achievement, greater motivation, more positive interpersonal relations among you all, more positive attitude towards the subject area and your teachers, greater self-esteem, psychological health, more accurate perspectives, and greater social skills. Today, in this world, actually, is this not what you require to succeed? Look at all the leaders of today. I can name many. Let's talk about Mahatma Gandhi, or we can be talking about Barack Obama, and so on. All of them, they are not leaders because the marks what they scored or anything else. They're leaders because they have the skills what we give at Model United Nations, or I would say what you attain at Model United Nations. To succeed in Model United Nations, delegation will need to have followers as well as leaders, researchers to determine a national policy, writers to convey the country's position, and speakers to present and support that position to the body. Thus, you get it all in a go. It's not that all. You also get lot of points when you're going for college admissions. Thus, it helps you actually build a brighter future. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to actually talk about Model United Nations. Be passionate and participate. You're going to get it all. All the best.